It's Baggy, and we're back again. What's up, y'all? It's your boy Baggy, aka Midnight Sugar, aka Young OG Finesse Guy, and we're back one more again. This time we're gonna play some Mobile Legends. This is my favorite game on the mobile devices, on the phone. Probably my favorite mobile game all time, right above Clash of Clans. We're gonna play Alpha if they let us. You see my win rate 57.8% with Alpha. Solid, nice and solid. We're gonna try to get another one. Hopefully we get a tank on our team. I'm playing solo ranked. Um so there's no guarantee like what type of team comp we gonna have. I might get a dumb team, I might get a good team. That's how life goes when you play solo. Alright, we're gonna choose Alpha. Alright, we in action. I'm gonna come bottom lane and try to hold it down here. We're gonna buy you see the build. I'm gonna get these warrior boots. Okay, got him down early. Nice quick kill. First kill of the game. You see it? I'm alpha. I'm alpha dog. You ain't alpha dog. You a beta. Oh, snap. He's gonna catch me slipping. He's on my ass. 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 Whew. Whew. Had me nervous. I thought that was gonna be the end of me. Alright, we got our boots. Next we gonna want this Bloodlust Axe, because it's gonna give us some health back. When we get this fully upgraded, we get health back every time we use our skills. So it increases our survivability. And it gives you cooldown, so I can use my skills more often, more quicker, Gotcha. I'm here for all that. You want some too? Yeah, you don't want none. He didn't want none. He didn't want none. It would have been ugly for him. I'll for that nigga. I'm just people don't know. I ain't got no teammates around me, so I'm not even gonna engage. I'm just gonna run like a bitch. But now my teammates are here. So this is when I get on your ass. We on your ass. Let me knock these minions out the way. Can I take? Do they got a jungle monster? Oh, he has a jungle monster right here. I could probably steal it. Yeah, he's not even thinking about me. Steal that monster real quick. Let me take this little crab right here. Kill him and get some more gold. I think he's coming though. Let's see what I can do. Oh, they got 3 guys over here. Help me, please. Somebody help me, please. Got her. Get him. Get him. Get him. Okay, maybe we're still all right. There's artist trying to guard the tower with his life, but he's gonna lose his life trying to do that shit. If you're gonna guard it with your life, then we got to take your life along with the tower, you know? That's no problem. Oh, snap. I'm out of here. Dang, this nigga risking his whole life for that shit. Get his ass. Someone come get his ass. Someone come get his ass. Franco, get his ass. He in the... Oh. I don't know where he went. Oh, he's right there. Get his ass, Frank. Oh, Franco missed. Ah, that's all good. Alright, I got the most money right now. Oh, get his ass. He got away? That's the luckiest shit. Let me kill these little minions. We should take the turtle. Don't mind if I do. Bring your ass here, boy. Come here. Come here. That's fine. That's fine. All that shit is fine. Cause you that's why. All that little extra shit you doing is fine. You crazy if you think you're in the way. Double kill for the squad. Alright, we got $5,000. We only person with 5,000. We banked up. Bankroll. Call me Bankroll E-Bags. Call me Money Man E-Bags. Young Baggerton. Securing the bag. I see you! You're not safe! So don't even try to act like you're safe. Don't even try to play it safe. You're not safe. Oh, snap. We should take this tower though. Nice. Oh, my team fucking shit up. Oh, they done wiped out the whole enemy. My team trying to do something. I got a team that's trying to do something. That's a team you need in life. Yeah, let's go with this one. So we're 6 kills, 2 deaths, 4 assists. Doing solid. Oh, snap. Hey, she fucked me up. She came by so fast, I wasn't sure how I should react. Oh, get him there. They about to wipe out the whole team. Stop playing. Stop playing with us. Dang. Like, we just here to play around. Nah, we here for business. If you're not here for business, you're going to get left behind in the dirt, in the grave. We're not warriors around here. We're businessmen. Catch up. Well, I don't got the most money no more, but still doing that thing. Take the Lord.
Yes, Lord.
What? If that wasn't the most phony baloney shit I've ever seen. There's been a whole lot of phony baloney stuff going on. Real phony baloney. And we need to get to the bottom of this. My team probably gonna win before I even come back to life, honestly. The way they playing. I got some ballers. Look at that guy. Guy in top place on my team got 11 kills, 2 deaths. What a baller. So we ranking up. As you can see, epic level 3, 5-star. Just got to epic level 2. So we're gonna keep trying to climb up and get our way out of epic. The next level is legend. And then mythic. And we'll try to make our way all the way to mythic. Gold plated, certified. Yeah. 20% hero damage. 8% turret damage. Could do better attacking the turrets. But we still got the W. Alright. That's the end of that video. Hope I had some fun with me. Hope you guys download the game. Mobile Legends. You can see it in the title. And hope I just have fun like how I be doing. It's a really fun game. So, peace. It's your boy Young OG Finesse Guy, and I'm out of here.